I'm Alan Zucconi, I'm an Italian developer, and for the past 10 years I've been working in games. More recently I started working in the field of education, so now I'm a lecturer and I work at LCC. I'm a part of the University of the Arts London, where I teach game development. When I start working with my students, the biggest challenge I have is that they have very different backgrounds. So not all of them are at the same level, not all of them have the same experience in making games. So it's extremely challenging to deliver a lecture that works for everyone. The way I usually do it at a college is doing lectures that start from scratch, so no students feel that they're left behind, and then focusing individually on their projects. If you ask people to do silly exercises, most of the time they will not learn anything because they're decontextualized. They're not part of something they like, so it's knowledge that it's there, but it's not blended into their own games. So I'd rather have them coming to me and say, look Alan, I want to do this in my game. Is the right thing to do? How can I do that? How can I approach that? Is it at my level? And then discussing that or finding an alternative. And I think this is a much more interesting way, because it also teaches them how to design a game and how to design mechanics, not just the mechanics they want, but the mechanics they can do. Many people feel that they don't know enough. They feel that they're not good enough at what they're doing, or that their knowledge is not, is not valuable enough to be sold online or to be accessible, to be interesting for other people. And I think this is really not true, because no matter how good or bad you are, there will be people that know less than you. And in that sense, it's in that gap that you can find your own audience, your own niche. My own niche has been shaders, because it's something that very few people knows how to master. But if you know how to make a game, if you have done a game, even if you haven't released it, probably you know more than the majority of people who want to make a game. So you can always find your audience.